Mar arita kwe ochwalo paro mar chik e nyim od bura mag bero sekta mar arita to ahinya e sekta mar chuk dar gi jochiw arita mag ji giwegi. Kaka jafwambo mar Walter Nyambaga lero, chikno ka okadhi to nyalo biro miyo chuk dar teko mar mako achije e yo moluwore gi chik.
Lastly, honorable members,
ka olose boma Nairobi nyim komiti mar od bura marango weche mag arita kwe kod chenro mag piny owacho. Jagoro mong'ire Migao mar arita kwe Dr. Ramogi yango ni chuk dar ni kod ting' mag arita kwe. Gino momiyo gichwalo paro mar chik ne od bura. E chik ma kopo ni okal to chuk dar biro bedo kod thuolo mar mako ng'ata moyude kokalo chik. Mopogore gi sani ma obila kende moyiene ndhiyo ng'ato kendo chwale doho.
How does that guard end up arresting this person? What is the process? How does he take this person to the police station? Have you thought of the process?
The issue of the power to arrest, I think it's already there that as a citizen you can arrest anyone who is causing or involved in a criminal activity or just to deter. We definitely would want to benefit from your input, and because again this addresses a very specific and special sector in this country. Just by the sheer numbers of the private security officers we have in this country, in excess of 1.3 million, there is a need to ensure that sector is properly regulated.
Dr. Ramogi kone kamiti no ne piny owacho tiyo machiegni kod jokanye sekta mag arita kwe, joket mwandu. To kata mana chuk dar go mose konye nondo mag nek e ute mako yugi ma egute, e kaka nek mag nyidendi minego e yo makoch.
The issue of femicide, I think there's been a huge outcry, and it's something that all of us have condemned, and we have taken steps to try to address. So there's been cases of people who have been apprehended for purpose of investigations.
Penjo mathoth bende ne gidre gimomiyo chuk dar mathoth chwalo tije kuonde mag piny owacho madongo kaka doho maduong' ma Thurka.
just saying what I've said, Chair, I don't know why we have critical infrastructure unit, we would have it. And then you have a private security firm guarding something like the Supreme Court. It does not make sense to me. And why we would have critical infrastructure police unit. But again, we budget billions to the judiciary to pay private security.
It will be in the interest of the government to use, particularly the police, to provide security to all government installations and buildings. The reality is that we do not have adequate numbers. But again, we did set up what you're calling the critical infrastructure police unit. And it's something I think we can consider, particularly with the judiciary.
Chudo mag chuk dar go bende ne obedo mbaka nyim kamiti go. Kaido ni mondo migi omenda mopugno moinge 1016. E kata 1010 ma imiyogi ni mar gin bende gin kod pek kaka jo Kenya mamoko.
They will be the first people to be nabbed, whether they were guilty or not. And many of them are in our prisons because they cannot afford, they are poor and they cannot afford to actually defend themselves. You get employed as a security officer in the private sector and you work for like 2 or 5 years. You are fired one night or during the day, and that's the end of it. You don't get anything after that.
In my list of the companies that are operating as private security service providers, they are billionaires. But the people who actually get paid for and the tools and the product they actually produce, which is a service industry, they get 10,000, actually below 10,000. Yeah? And that is exactly what, as an authority, we want to enforce and to ensure we restore dignity and honor within these private security service providers.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Madonjane weche mag siasa ni riwruok